In this video, I'm going to show easy, effective ways to treat a rotator cuff injury at home. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. So we're going to help tackle shoulder pain and impingement by targeting a group of 4 muscles and their tendons known as the rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is made up of 4 small muscles, the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. They work as a group to help stabilize the shoulder joint, especially with rotating and raising the arm overhead. With these exercises, we're going to focus on activating the rotator cuff, loosening it up, and helping to decrease the likelihood of shoulder impingement while doing overhead or reaching motions. Just as a note, these exercises are for minor strains and sprains, not for treating tears or major injuries to the shoulder or rotator cuff. If you fall in that latter category, make sure to make an appointment with your local doctor to have it checked out. All right, let's get started. So to do this guide, all you need is a general therapy band. You can get these at any place that has a sporting goods department, including Walmart. You can also get them on Amazon. And then you need 2 cans of soup. These ones right here are just 16 ounces. So for the first exercises, we're going to take our therapy band and make a loop with it. So just tie the ends together. Also, with these exercises, why they work so well is because they work on dynamic movements. That is, activating the whole rotator cuff, engaging all 4 of those muscles to help loosen them up and just help strengthen them overall and get your injury repaired much more quickly. And I think they're a little bit more fun to do also. So what we're going to do for the first part is keep our arms straight, and then I like to keep the thumbs pointed upwards. What we're going to do is build resistance into the band by taking our arms outwards. So just like this, you can kind of see how I'm just resisting against that band. So start very low and keep doing this, and every time that you come back, raise your arms up just a little bit and then keep repeating that process. And keep going all the way up as far as you're comfortable with until your arms are completely straight overhead, and then just start to come back down until you finally get back to that starting position right through here. And do a couple of those sessions. 3 to 5 times usually works very well. So for the next part, we're going to switch up the movement. We're going to keep one arm locked while the other one then goes down and then starts to work its way upwards. Again, these are dynamic movements that just hit the shoulder from all angles. So it keeps the muscle guessing. And then just switch to the other arm. And again, I like to do these for about 3 to 5 times in a complete cycle. Sometimes it's hard to keep track of where you've been, but it's no big deal. Just start over at that point. So for the next part, we're going to use our soup cans. If these feel like they're a little bit too light, what you can do is substitute it for a 2.5 pound, 5 pound dumbbell, whatever you feel comfortable using. So we're going to start off in that same position with our elbow straight, arm straight, and we're going to then build resistance into the band. With this, we're going to go all the way up with it as much as we're comfortable with. And then we're going to come all the way back down. And then just repeat that process. So resistance, we're going to go all the way up with it, and then come all the way back down. And try to do about 3 to 5 sets of these. So for this next one, we're going to focus on trying to strengthen the shoulder capsule and those rotator cuff muscles. We're going to start with the elbows bent, tucked in towards our sides. So we want them kind of clamping onto our sides right here. From there, we're going to take our hands and then externally rotate out as much as we're able to. So we're taking the hands outwards. In this position, we're then going to lift the arms up, those elbows up, all the way as much as we're able to go comfortably. And you should feel a lot of tension being built into those shoulders. It's really helping to strengthen them. So again, we're taking the elbows, locking them to the sides, taking the arms outwards, externally rotating that shoulder, and then lifting that up overhead as far as we feel comfortable, and give that a good 5-second hold before bringing it back down. Repeat that 3 to 5 times. If you liked the video and it helped you out, please show your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. Please let us know in the comments section how they worked for you. We appreciate it, and thanks for watching.